Welcome to the French Drainman channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, your host, and I want to show you how gutters work on a two-story home. What you have to consider when you're burying your downspouts for gutters on a two-story home, all the water from the second story just dumps on the first story. So you can see the gutters on the second story, and you can see how the downspout that comes off the gutter, it literally just terminates right there. You can see it right on the shingles. That's it. So this second story gutter system just dumps all its water on the first story. So that's why it's so important when you're burying downspouts. You can think that the downspout you're taking care of isn't responsible for that much water because on the first story it might appear that way. But when you take into account the second story water that's just dumping on the first story water, now that gutter that just went across the porch, the roof over the porch, and it didn't seem like it was responsible for that much water. Now you have the second story dropping all its water on that, so this downspout right here off the porch, it may look like just a short run gutter, and it might fool you. You can see that it's just, 18 feet or something like that, 16 feet of gutter, but you have the second story dumping, and you also have half the garage. You can see how the garage, the roof is pitched, and it runs to a valley, and that valley ends up in that gutter. So don't be fooled. Those downspouts around your house that don't look like they're responsible for very much water, on a second story home, you can be assured they're carrying more water than what you would first think and what they first appear as. So with that being said, let's stick to our, we want to get out there 21, 22, 23, 24 feet. We want to get that far away from the house. That 10 feet away is not going to work. Those 10-foot pieces that they sell at the big box stores that program homeowners to think that they're actually doing something good for their home when they just bury a 10-foot piece of pipe in the ground, it's not enough. We have to get this bulk water, this high volume of water that threatens the largest investment of just about any average person out there. If you want to look at middle class being the largest class of all, our largest investment is our homes. So you want to protect that investment. You want to take care of that investment. And you can see we're running a roof runoff system. We're doing an underground system for the roof runoff water. And we're not playing. We got a main that goes all the way to the back corner because there happens to be a storm drain there. And I like to catch the water right as it comes down the downspout, and I don't want to let it go. Once you have that water caught, why would you let it go near the house, say 10 feet away? Because where's it going from there? That's the question. Where is the water going from there? It's just going to saturate the earth around your home, and it's going to end up just going into the drain tiles, and your sump pump's going to run more, and the whole thing's just a vicious circle that nobody needs. All right, everybody. I hope you learned something from this video, and until the next video.